lesson I'm going to start a new chapter called Keeping Safe. Okay, so let's start. Today we will know about some safety rules that keeps us safe. In this chapter we will know about safety at home, safety at school, safety on the roads, and also we will know about first aid. Okay. So students, you know that you get hurt when you are not careful. There are many things around us that might hurt us. So we need to follow some safety rules to keep us safe. So let's learn which safety rules we have to follow at our home. Okay. Here are some safety rules that you should follow at home. First one. Do not leave your toys, bags and books lying on the floor. You might trip over them and injure yourself. So at home, when we are playing with toys, we leave our toys here and there, right? So this is not good. If you do that, you might trip over them, fall down and injure yourself. So do not leave your toys, bags and books lying on the floor. If you do so, like Sonam, if you leave your things like bags, toys, books on the floor like this, you might trip over these things and injure yourself. Number 2. Be careful while walking on wet bathroom floors. You might slip on the floor and get hurt. So, we should never rush when walking on wet bathroom floor. You might slip on the floor and get hurt. Never touch electric switches, plugs or wires with wet hands. You might get an electric shock. Do not put your fingers into plug points. So if you touch electric switches, plugs with wet hands, you might get electric shock. So do not put your fingers into plug points. Next, do not go near the gas stove or play with sharp objects such as knives and scissors. You might burn or cut yourself. So most accidents at home happen in the kitchen or while children are handling sharp and pointed objects. So we should not go near the gas or fire. You might burn yourself, and we also should not play with sharp objects like knives and scissors. You might cut yourself also. Next, do not try to light firecrackers by yourself. So we all love to light firecrackers during Diwali, right? But you have to understand it is very dangerous to light firecrackers by yourself. So never light a firecrackers without the help of a elder person. Next, we will learn the safety rules at school. Here are some safety rules that you should follow at school. Number 1. Never run around benches in the classroom. You might fall down and hurt yourself. So, during the tiffin break, many of you run around the benches in the classroom, right? So, if you do that, you might fall down and hurt yourself. So, play in a open area or open space. Number 2. Do not run while climbing up or climbing down the stairs. You might trip and fall down. So we should not rush while going upstairs or downstairs. Otherwise, we might trip and fall down. Next, do not get into or get off a moving bus. Always stand in a queue and wait for your turn. So, we should not make hurry while we get into or get off a moving bus. We have to wait until the bus comes to a complete stop. Then we will make a queue and wait for our turn. Never push your friends while playing. Both you and your friends might get hurt. Wait for your turn while playing on the swings. So it is good to play with other kids and make friends. But pushing your friends while playing is not a good option. So wait for your turn while playing on the swings like this. See, this boy is pushing his friend. This is not correct. You have to wait for your turn. Okay. So that's it for today, students. In my next class, I will talk about safety on the road and first aid. Thank you.